Hi guys! Let's look at how to sort a dictionary by key and value. For example, we have a dictionary that is not sorted by key or value. To sort a dictionary, you must first turn it into a list of tuples. To do this, we will use the items method that dictionaries have. We write the name of our dictionary followed by a dot, and then the items method. Let's see what we got. Let's assign the result to a variable and output it to the console. Now to sort our result by key, we put our code in the sorted function. Let's look at the result. Yes, the result was indeed sorted. And now we need to turn our list of tuples back into a dictionary. We do this using the dict function. Let's look at the result. Our dictionary is sorted by key. To sort the dictionary by value, we also turn it into a list of tuples using the items method. Next, we also sort using the sorted method, but now we specify the key as the second argument. In the argument called key, we must write a function by which we will sort the data. In the sorted function, here we will write a lambda function that will select a value with index 1 from the tuple. And this is our value in the dictionary. Next, we convert it to a dictionary using the dict function and display the result on the screen. Now our dictionary is sorted by values. Subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of interesting things about Python programming.